Hi, my name is Brechtje and you are watching Estona Tutorials. And if you are watching this video, you are not currently on my subscriber feed, so you can watch a part of this video, but if you want to get the full experience, then please hop on over to Patreon and you can find me at patreon.com/Estona_tutorials. I hope I'll see you there. And I'm not going to be too precise. I think this is a nice size and I am using 2mm wire and this pair of pliers, but of course you can use a small tribulette or something that is round as well. I am going to cut this right here where it overlaps. I'll close this up. I am going to add some hard soldering paste. And if you haven't watched yesterday's tutorial, then please do, because there I explain all about soldering, how to solder, use soldering paste, etc. And in this video I am going to focus on making this ring design, and I'm going to show you a bit more about polishing. If you are very confident in soldering, you can use the hard paste. I am going to use the medium right now, because for some reason today is just not my day and soldering isn't going very smoothly, so I'm going to make my job a bit easier. And I'm being careful not to overheat the entire ring, because then everything will come undone. So the pink or red one in combination with the hard brush, this will take away some scratches that are still left on your piece after sanding. But before you start with this one, make sure that you have sanded everything nicely up to a 2000 grit sanding paper. And just look at this difference. So again, this is the cotton buff in combination with the silver compound, and it really rounds off the edges. So if you ever have something that you want to polish that needs to stay really sharp, like a square shape or something, then be careful with this combination, because again, as you can see, this really rounds everything out. And now on to the wool buff. And this is what I'm talking about with a mirror finish, and it hasn't even been cleaned yet. The final step for the inside of my ring is the felt ring cone.